Booyakasha. Keith here. Got a message from Pete and Maria for Nicholas James, aka Jamesy, aka the Big NJ, the Big Knob, the Big Dog, and Aussie. So we won't hold that against you. Well, we will hold it against you, especially when the Ashes is next on. But that's another story. But lives in the States, United States, yeah. And a member of the mega list. Apparently has big bed issues, which include weaknesses. You've put bedwetting. And under strengths, you've put once defecated on a girl in her bed. That's just your job though, isn't it? I mean, you're Australian, so it's normal. Anyway, can't wait till the coronavirus is over and you guys can get on a mega bender. See you down Chasers. Peace.
Ewen Macintosh, the office actor, dies at the age of 50. Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Subscribe, share and leave a condolence message. The actor and comedian Ewen Macintosh, best known for his role as Big Keith in The Office, has died. The character Keith Bishop was a snotch egg-loving accountant who had a monotone answer-phone message, as would have rather had a career as a DJ. Macintosh also appeared in other British comedies including Miranda and Little Britain. The show's creator Ricky Gervais led the tributes on X, formerly Twitter, describing Macintosh as an absolute original. Bishop, who worked at Fiction Paper Company in Wyndham Hogg, will be remembered for scenes such as when he dressed up and Ali G for Red Nose Day. It's so heartbreaking. Keith particularly shone in the memorable scene for season 2's episode Appraisals. In the Appraisals, office manager David Brent, played by Rick Gervais, makes him his list, his strength and weakness, chewing gum and looking bored. Keith responded, "I don't know," to all answers and listed eczema as his weakness and accountants as strength. Rest in peace, Big Keith. Hello guys, thank you for watching. If you came this far and watched our video till the end, thank you for the love, thank you for support, and may God reward you abruptly, and let him give you whatever you need in life. Pray hard, keep pushing. Love you guys. We sign out.